tires down. Temporary snooze going on. Okay, you can see how badly damaged these clips are. So yeah, just getting them off the back window, cleaning the gutter on the back window. Yep, right about there. And then we'll pull them clips off. Information. Let's go back to the other side. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, sounds like somebody wants back in the doghouse. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, there he is. Back in the doghouse. Okay, and he's in. See him looking at the back window there. Okay, up here. Busted up. Whoa. He's going to come out in a few pieces. But rest assured, he's coming out. Oh! I'll break the glass here. Well, there's a good portion of them. And the last little bit. There. Well, I don't think this car has had that much love for quite some time, so we'll keep doing it to it, see if we can't make it a better car, and who knows, maybe we'll do something exciting with it this summer. Watch it go on a few road trips, or perhaps a drag race, perhaps. 2 drag races. Half mile anyhow. Okay. Clips are gone. You guys see him in there? Oh yeah, you guys can see the Hirsch. There he is. Hirsch. Okay, we'll find a few other things to do on this and we'll be back. Yeah, based most of my car purchases for street cars around my dog, and he's taken to the Chevelle quite well, so this possibly could be a keeper. He seems to love sleeping on the back of it, so yeah, this car could stick around for a while. A little bit bigger for him, might work perfect. Okay, done. Chrome along the bottom of the windshield, time to remove that, and the windshield wipers, I'll get rid of them. Probably get rid of the chrome strip on the hood and the chrome vents on the hood. And then I think I will tackle the wheel moldings and stuff. I think I'll just start getting all the chrome off of it because I got to clean under it because there's mold, dirt, everything else, and at this point, there's a good chance I could be keeping it and painting the whole car and so on. So I think we're going to start by doing that. And then I'll get the roof all done and the jambs done so I can get that in primer and cover it up. And then, yeah, we'll keep going from there. But I'm expecting there's a bunch of dirt and stuff down there, so we better get that off and see what we'll look for. And I better get the Ziploc bags out so that I can keep track of everything. Yeah, there's nothing. Damage, I think I just put a little thing there. Dummy. A little bit complicated. Now I gotta get that little ding out when I take it off. Let's get it done. Yeah, it's pretty minor, but I can get it out. A few more of it too that I didn't do. Okay.